Hey, it's Pat from Master Building Inspectors again, coming across another fun area in a home. We always like to look at the structure, see how things are going. I want you to notice something on this deck that we're looking at. Number one, I'm not quite sure of these steps. As I look at the steps, I realize they're not done well. Not only that, but I also see a problem down here with the block. Let's turn this camera around so you can see. And as I talk, I want you to notice right here, you look at it and you go, whoa, that stringer does not even come close to meeting right here. So that stringer does not meet, thus not put together well. I also would point out down here in the bottom, when we look down at the bottom and you look at that support down there, that concrete is just wasted away, and it is sinking greatly. With that sinking, structural integrity of that post is definitely in question on that entire process. So with all that said, thank you so much for checking out Master Building Inspectors. Have a great day.